Hi everyone, in this video we are going to demonstrate how to install RabbitMQ Message Broker in local PC, and write some Node.js code to publish and consume messages. First we will go to the download page of RabbitMQ official website, and click on Install Windows. I will provide the website links in the description below. Now from this page, click on Using the official installer. You will be redirected to the Windows installer of RabbitMQ server. Now click to download. As we can see that there is a dependency of Erlang, so we have download Erlang from the official website. I will provide the Erlang official download page link in the description below. Click on the installer to download the executable file. After successful download, first install Erlang. Just follow the steps to install Erlang. After that we will install RabbitMQ server. Just click on the installer, and follow the steps as directed. Now at the end of installation, search for RabbitMQ command prompt. Click on that, and a terminal will open. Here type the command rabbitmq-plugins --enable --rabbitmq_management and click on enter. After enabling the plugins, go to the browser and write http://www.localhost 15762. Make a note, 15762 is the default port for RabbitMQ admin panel. Default credentials to log in is guest for both username and password. Now after log into the admin panel, if you click on the queue tab, you will see there is no available queue. Now click on logout to log out from the system. Now, we will write some Node.js code to demo the publish and consume of messages. Open the code editor in the project folder, and then from the terminal, enter the command npm init to initialize the project. After that, keep all as default and only set the entry point as app.js. Install nodemon as dev dependency to restart the application on code change. Now install Express and MQplib packages. I will give the package link in description below. I am adding the start script to restart the app using nodemon. Now I'm creating a file called app.js, and write the express code to start Node server, and create a default route. Now see, Node server is running, and it is working as expected. Now, I added two different routes, one for publish the message, and one for consume the messages. I had written down the code for you. You can download the code from GitHub repository. I will give the link below in description box. Here to differentiate the messages, I pass the current date time as message for every publish request call. Now if we log into RabbitMQ admin panel and check the queue, we will see the message have been published successfully. Now consecutively, I published few messages. Now when I call the consume request, for every consume request, the messages will consume in the sequence at which they published. And at last, when there is no pending message to consume, it will show no data found. Hope you like our content. For more content like this, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Follow us on the social handles. Links in the description below.